G'day and welcome to the Figure 8 tail with Jenny Brandis. This tail is a favourite for my bookmarks and now PAMMO. Lift your weaver pair up and move the left bobbin over to the right and the right bobbin to the left. Put the remaining pairs on a bobbin holder and raise it and have the wrap bobbin swapping sides. Tension and tie a reef knot to secure the bundles of threads neatly. Right over left, then left over right. Release the bobbins and toss out 2 to 4 bobbins from the centre. Separate the remaining bobbins into 2 and place them on separate bobbin holders. Lift the left bobbin holder and move the left wrap bobbin under it and up and over the right bobbin holder and right wrap thread. Lift the right bobbin holder and move the right wrap bobbin under it and up and over the left bobbin holder and tension. Left under and over. Right under and over, tension. Repeat the under and overs a total of 5 times. Tie an overhand knot and toss out 2 threads. Wrap 3 more times and then tension. Continue wrapping until the desired length. Tie a knot to secure the threads and cut the tail threads to 20 centimetres or 8 inches for later use. Trim the toss out threads down to the lace.